what we have here is a Aviator. Oh, boom, Ceramic Pro Gold, inside, outside. Doing this Aviator made me miss traveling. I've been so many places in my oilfield career before doing this for the masses. The first stop in my life was Canada. Oh, Canada. It was Vancouver.
I remember just the nude beaches for like I was young.
Trinidad and Tobago. I was still young, I really didn't take very much in. Brazil. Don't expect your creature comforts, but beautiful, beautiful people. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, country, like one of the first countries that ever learned to rob all the other countries. A lot of history. Then South Korea. Oh, God, kimchi. No, never again. Tried 13 different types of kimchi. Bleh, 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 bleh. And I don't do vegetables. Durban, South Africa. Man, the people on the beach, they're hustlers, but you should see some of the things that they make out of sand. Norway. Norway's so beautiful. Oh, the mountains, the guys, the food, the cheese, the whale, the deer. Oh, so good. Germany! All of the buildings, so much history, beautiful, gotta love it. There was 2 places I went to. They weren't main cities, but the real German culture. Barely spoke English, really felt kind of stranded. Denmark. Denmark made me feel like I was a boat captain, a boat captain stranded at a lighthouse, because the place I lived in was like right off, not lived, but stayed in, was right off the coast, and I could just smell the ocean. It was real. It was weird. It just made me feel that way. Egypt, one of the most historical places in human history, trashed. So disappointing. Scotland! Aberdeen. Hull was not that great, but Aberdeen, the granite city, so beautiful. And then I was introduced to Gabon. Oh, that place. Malaria, the mosquitoes, the pirates. Oh, geesh, that was a thrill. I mean, oh, it's horrible, horrible. So yeah, Miss Dupuis, I really hope your Aviator treats you as well as my travels have. This SUV was awesome to work on. It was phenomenal. It made me think of traveling, and I wanted to share it with everybody.